In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Rockstar account to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. By connecting your Rockstar account to your PlayStation Network account, you are going to ensure that all progress that you made on GTA 5 on different platforms such as old gen consoles will transfer over to the newer gen PlayStation 5. And of course, this will also apply for any other Rockstar online titles. So all that you have to do is, on a web browser, go to rockstargames.com. When you arrive at this page, sign into the respective account that you want to connect to your PlayStation Network account, click on your icon, and then click on Account. Now you will be able to find Settings. So under Account, go over to Settings. At the top, you will find plenty of options, and all that you have to do is switch over to linked accounts. And in here, you will be able to link various different networks. So you can link an Xbox Network gamer tag, you can link a PlayStation Network account, a Google account, Twitch account, and Amazon. So to keep it simple, all that you have to do is click on PlayStation Network. And as long as you click the option here, you will be redirected into the PlayStation website where you will be able to sign in using your credentials. So you can input your email address and password and verify your account. As long as you include the details about a valid PlayStation account, it is going to be properly connected to Rockstar Games, and now any progress that you make on games such as GTA Online will transfer over as long as you are using the same PlayStation Network account to play GTA Online. Just make sure that the connection was established, and as you can clearly see, you will be able to connect other accounts to the same one. So if you also play on an Xbox for whatever reason, you will be able to do it here. If there ever is some sort of promotion associated to Google or Twitch, you will be able to do it here as well, and you can manage these connections at any time. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Rockstar account to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.